Percentage composition of elements. Suppose you are given 500 gram of water and you are asked for finding the mass of hydrogen alone in 500 gram of water. How can you calculate? And how can you calculate mass of oxygen alone? Similarly, you are provided 500 gram of alcohol which contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. How can we calculate the masses of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen separately present in this 500 gram of alcohol? Similarly, if you are given about 200 gram of sodium sulfate which contains sodium, sulfur and oxygen. How can you find the masses of sodium, sulfur and oxygen alone present in this 200 gram of the sample? This is possible by finding the percentage of a particular element present in that compound. As you all know, mass percentage is equal to mass of part divided by mass of whole into 100. If so, mass percentage of an element in a compound will be equal to mass of that element in the compound divided by mass of the compound into 100. If 1 mole sample of the compound is considered, mass percentage of an element will be equal to mass of that element in the compound divided by molar mass of the compound into 100. For example, water. In water, the mass percentage of hydrogen is equal to 2 into gram atomic mass of hydrogen divided by molar mass of water into 100, because 1 molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen. Therefore, 1 mole of water contains 2 moles of hydrogen atoms. That is why the numerator is multiplied by 2. Similarly, mass percentage of oxygen in water is equal to 1 into gram atomic mass of oxygen divided by molar mass of water into 100. In numerator, gram atomic mass of oxygen is multiplied by 1 because H2O molecule contains 1 atom of oxygen. So, 1 mole of H2O molecules will contain only 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Hence, mass percentage of hydrogen is equal to 2 into 1 divided by 18 into 100. Here 18 is the molar mass of water. And this is equal to 11.11%. That means 100 gram of water contains 11.11 gram of the element hydrogen. Hence, 500 gram of water contains 5 into 11.11 gram, that is equal to 55.55 gram of hydrogen in it. Similarly, the mass percentage of oxygen in water is equal to 1 into 16 by 18 into 100. This is equal to 88.88%. That means 100 gram of the sample of water contains 88.88 gram of oxygen in it. That means 500 gram of water contains 5 into 88.88 gram, which is equal to 444.4 gram of oxygen in it. So, the 500 gram sample of water contains 55.55 gram of the element hydrogen and 444.4 gram of the element oxygen in it. In the same way, you can find the masses of various elements present in ethanol and sodium sulfate.